Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Remy, and this is my wife. Her name is Ning, and we got a little girl. Her name is Leila. She has joined Happy Train when she was 9 months old, and at this very present moment, as we're recording, she's about 2.5, and we're really proud to be part of the school. So we learned about the school through a friend's recommendation, and we came with a very open mind because we know that the teachers are very dedicated. They know exactly what they're doing, and I can see my daughter benefiting from the classes by a lot. For example, one of the things I tell my friends about how Leila has progressed is that all the songs that she has learned when she was 9 months old, around 6 months from then, she can start singing the last word of every phrase, and that really impressed us a lot. I think the success of how a child can progress in Happy Train, a lot has to do with the school, dedication from the teachers, the course material that they provided. At the same time, parents' participation in homework back at school that enhance whatever they've taught plays a very big part as well. So all in all, we find Happy Train very suitable and very encouraging for the growth and progression of Leila. And when this little one in Sining's tummy, when she's out, when timing is right, we'll send her the Happy Train as well. So Remy Fan, Sining, and Leila signing out. Thank you.